Welcome back. We're now going to create another similar scene, and we're going to create this scene. In this case, we're only going to use one variation, and we're going to use regular resolution. This is going to take 25 credits. We are going to go ahead and add this video to the queue, and we'll be able to follow the progress here in this area. And our video is now completing. We can follow the progress here, as well as in the right-hand corner, and we can now see our image. And we're now going to create one more image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to write in a prompt. And we're now going to click enter. Our new video is now added to the queue, and we're going to follow the progress here, as well as in the right-hand corner. And our video is now complete. We're going to try to attempt to get the video to center and to zoom in. So we're going to remix the video, and to describe our changes, we're going to use two variations. That's going to cost us 50 credits. We have 134 left, so we're going to cut this down to one variation. So we still have one more element that we need to create. We're now going to remix this to see if we can get a better view of the snow globe in this particular image. We're going to head out to the dashboard, and we're going to wait for Sora to complete the remix. And the video is now in its completion stage. Now, ordinarily, if credits and time were permitting, we would work with this video a little longer. However, what we're going to do for the sake of this video is we're going to create a new storyboard. And we're going to add in, and we're going to shorten the duration of this particular clip. And we're going to add in another scene. And we're going to add in the scene from a different city. And we're going to shorten that clip. And we're going to add in a scene from another city. And we're going to grab that clip. And we're going to lengthen the video. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add in a scene from another video. And we're going to choose that scene from our library. And we're going to choose it. What we're going to do here is we're going to lengthen some of the clips and to adjust them. What we want to do now is we want to see how many credits. Now creating this video is going to use 50 of our credits. We do have the credits, and we're now going to create the final video. And the video has been added to the queue. We're now going to head out to our dashboard. Now that we have placed the videos on our storyboard, and we're going to await the new video. And the video is now in its completion stage. And the final video is ready for us to view. And we can see our final video. So you can storyboard your videos, and if you don't like the story, you can adjust the story in order to make it what you want it to be. So we have now seen all of the major elements of using Sora. If you already have the Plus account for ChatGPT, you can begin to learn how to use Sora to create the videos that you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.